So let's start with the marinade. What we're gonna need is ginger and garlic. So about 3 centimeter, like this big. And we cut it into strips and 5 to 6 cloves of garlic. So we're just gonna bash it up in the mortar. So if you don't have a mortar, we can use food processor. And I usually use fresh lemongrass stalk, but I don't have a fresh one at the moment, so I'm just gonna use frozen one, which is ground lemongrass, so I don't need to chop it up. Now I'm also gonna need sugar, about 2 teaspoons. And also I'm gonna add in fish sauce. So the fish sauce is about 1.5 tablespoons. Next is olive oil, so about 1.5 tablespoons. So now we are just going to bash them up and turn it into paste.
Right, so guys, I recommend you should put the fish sauce and the oil last after you have bashed it, because if you put it together like what I did, it's actually all over you. So it's good to put it last. So after you're done it looks like this, and then now we're gonna put it into the chicken. So what I do, so this is 2 pieces of chicken breast, and I slice it into about 1 centimeter. So make sure we pat this dry because we don't want any moisture when we pan fry it. So we got good caramelization when we put it in a pan. Just gonna pan fry this one here. Right, and then put this away. Right, so what I'll do, I'll put this here and on there. Okay, right, so we're just gonna mash it up. It's good to soak this for at least an hour. Smells nice. Alright, so we're just gonna leave this one, and then we're gonna do the next step. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put that away. Right, so I'm gonna make some dressing for our salad. So what I need is
1 red chili, which is I have removed the seeds, chop it up, and so we're gonna put it in the bowl. And then 1 lemon. Make sure seed is not coming there. Squeeze it up. Seed. Right, and then 2 teaspoons of fish sauce again. And 1.5 teaspoons of sugar. 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Oh, 1.5 tablespoons olive oil. Just gonna mix it up and save it for later. This is for our salad dressing. That's nice. So this is the vegetable that we need for the salad. So I have chopped it up the green beans, about 100 grams, and half of cucumber, and it's a telegraph cucumber, and I have removed the seeds. And I actually need at least a punnet of cherry tomatoes, but I don't have any. And one medium carrots, and chop it like that. And we're just gonna put the dressing when the noodles and the chicken are ready. So this is now ready. I just need to put it in the strainer so we can remove the water. So I strain it. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna put it back on top. And then we're gonna put about maybe a quarter of a cup of coconut milk so they don't stick together. And then I'm just gonna stir it. Put that away. Right, so we are going to cook the chicken now, and oil is hot enough. Spread it out the chicken, just like so. Smells nice. This won't take long. We just need to keep stirring it until it's cooked enough. So we're gonna take about 5 minutes or less.
put the rest of the coconut milk. And I just let it simmer for at least a couple of minutes. And I'm going to add a little bit more of fish sauce, probably about 2 teaspoons. Taste. It's nice. So it's done, and now what we're gonna do is we are going to mix the noodles, and I'm gonna turn the heat off. So don't worry about it look like it's a bit soupy or it looks like there's a lot of sauce in there, but when the noodles cool down, the noodles actually sucks the soup or the sauce. So it doesn't really look appetizing, but when you taste it, especially with the salad, you should try. It's really delicious and healthy. So now I'm just gonna mix up the salad. And the dressing. Mix it up. Going to sprinkle some salad in here. Here we are.